just 2 days of travel, but I'll have to carry my riding gear as well. So I think I'll take a suitcase. Actually, I thought I'll just take a backpack, but then I realized we're gonna ride bikes and all that, which means I have to carry my riding gear as well, which means we need a lot of luggage space. Actually, next I'll have to invest in a good travel bag, because whenever I travel, I need to borrow it from my wife or my parents. I also need my own travel bag. So this is what I'm packing. Clothes for 3 days, one jeans should suffice, and this is the riding gear I'm taking. One really good advantage with this one is it is light. There is armor in it, but still it is light, and because it's not going to be like a long ride and all that, it's just going to be maybe 100-150 kilometers. I'm not sure of the itinerary. I'm just going with the flow. The jeans I'm taking. So this is the second jeans I'll be taking. That is also a part of my riding gear. My helmet. I'll be packing everything into this, and I'll be taking my camera bag because we need more luggage space for food. Alright, what's up guys, say ho, Elana, hope everyone is doing great. A very good morning from Hyderabad. Time is literally 4:30 AM. I hate these flights, but can't help it. By the way, abhi tak I did not tell you where am I going, right? I am going to lovely Dehradun. Oh yes, Uttarakhand once again. I don't know what's happening with me, but almost like in the last 3 to 4 months, I've been to the north 3 times. That's like amazing. Let me set the destination. RGIA. 39 kilometers, 47 minutes is good. Seriously, I hate this early morning flights. Let me check if I took my glares and all that. Oh yes, HD glasses is very important. Nowadays I stopped using these glasses while driving because I can see. It's not that I can't see, but like I always tell you, 720 becomes 4K. Fuel check, everything check. Chalo, abhi seedha I'll see you at the airport. Getting really late. I have to be. My flight is literally at 6:55 AM. But this is not like a bike. When we have to leave for a bike trip at 6 o'clock in the morning, we leave by 7 o'clock. One stupid thing about a flight is, if your flight is at 6:55 AM, you have to reach there 2 hours before so that you can do your check-in and all that. And then you have to reach the airport, which is almost 40 kilometers from here. Takes you at least an hour. It shows 45 minutes because obviously it's early in the morning. Look at the roads, full empty. मेरे लिए बना हुआ है. You see the traffic? Seriously? 4:52 AM. Sriman said something, na? It will be khali. No. Whatever Sriman says, opposite hona. I don't know why this happens. 4:50 AM ko what are you dudes doing outside? Naakante lafutla flight undi. But no issues. One of the best things, one of the loveliest things that happened to Hyderabad is this PVNR Expressway. Iske pehle thoda sa traffic tha, but idhar se it is gonna be awesome. Look at it. So time is exactly 5:20. Reached on time 5:17. That is what Google showed, but we couldn't trace Google's time today. And fuel economy is somewhere around 11.1 kilometers for a liter. It could be better, but it's okay. I'm happy with the petrol DCT that too. Chalo, now let's go get all the stupid things checked in. Yeah, I have to travel with my helmet. This is getting so normal, traveling with a helmet all the time. Roads were like full, but airport seems to be a little bit empty. I think I'll directly see you. I'm not sure if there is something interesting. Otherwise, I'll directly see you in Dehradun. I never wore a mask this long, dude. Seriously, time is literally 2:21 in the afternoon, and finally after 10 plus hours and literally 1787 kilometers from my home, I reached Dehradun. Once again back in Uttarakhand. This is the third time I'm in Uttarakhand in the last 3-4 months. That's like crazy, dude. 2 times on the bike, this time in the flight. Anyways, this is a place called 4 Points by Sheraton, one of the best hotels here in Dehradun. Obviously, Triumph premium quality, premium hotels. Main important thing, how is the washroom? That is very important for me, and it looks fabulous. Anyways, the first thing I do when I travel, the moment you reach the hotel, it's important to wash your hands properly. Sanitizers, all this work, but still it is better you use a traditional proper soap. So first thing to do, wash your hands and also your face. For this trip, I got Mamaearth's apple cider vinegar foaming face wash. It's infused with proper apple cider vinegar and more importantly, aloe vera water. It will deeply cleanse the dirt, giving you that squeaky clean skin every day. It clears clogged pores, removing excess oil and promoting healthier and clearer skin. And from the name suggests apple cider vinegar, it cleanses deeply and it helps in maintaining the pH value of the skin. Also, it's got one very interesting ingredient, aloe vera water. This is one of the best ingredients for hydrating your skin, and it is ideal because summers, this is the season where everything gets dehydrated. You need to keep your skin, your body, everything properly hydrated. Also, there is one more face wash I personally like, that is Mamaearth's Upton foaming face wash. So depending on your skin type and what your skin needs, you can use that particular variant. So what I like about Mamaearth is every time you buy from them, they will link your order on their website to a tree that they plant. By 2025, their aim is to plant at least 1 million trees. You're also contributing to this great initiative. Also, Mamaearth has been awarded PETA's cruelty-free and Beauty Without Bunnies certification. All Mamaearth products are free from chemicals. They're made from natural ingredients. You can use my coupon code SRIMAN2021, get flat 20% off at mamaearth.in. Also available on Flipkart, Mamaearth and Amazon. Also, the coupon code is valid only on Mamaearth's website. Now, there is a very interesting reason I'm here. We are doing something very exciting, like I've been promising from the last couple of vlogs. It is going to be definitely exciting. Thing is, Abhi, the Triumph Trident launched, right? You guys know that. I've gone for the event as well in Hyderabad. I asked for a test ride. They said, do you want to test ride it in Hyderabad ka Galia, Malkajgir ke Galia? They said, why don't you come to the hills? That is Dehradun. Yes, we are test riding, we are experiencing, whatever you want to call it. We are going to ride the brand new Trident in the Ghats of Dehradun. Like, this is gonna be next level. This is what I've been telling you guys. Now tell me, wasn't it so exciting? It is, right? Some goodies here. And there's a small note on my bed. We are glad to have you over in Dehradun to experience Triumph's newest and most awaited offering, the Trident 660. We know you're eager to ride the new motorcycle, and we are equally looking forward to having you ride them in the mountains, where we feel you'll experience it the best what Trident has to offer. Oh, definitely any bike you want to experience that to a street naked like a Triumph Trident or a street triple, you have to ride it in the Ghats. Unfortunately, we don't have much Ghats in Hyderabad. So basically, this is the itinerary. Today, it's not much, just a brief presentation of technical stuff, instruction manual basically, but tomorrow is gonna be exciting. I'll talk about this later. For now, let's put all this aside and see what they gave us. Oh, nice, a Trident cap. Do I look good with caps? I usually don't wear a cap, but finally we have a Triumph face mask. Is the Triumph logo focus kar rahe Sony A7 III. I give you so much of hype. Triumph sanitizer? No, it is not Triumph. That's a Trident t-shirt. One more backpack. Triumph you gave me already. I think this is the 4th backpack or something. My phone is dying, dude, literally. Now 21%. That's very fast. By the way, this is a very nice USB charger. It's called Portronics or something. There was an older version of this, if you guys remember, that alien or UFO looking thing. This is the updated version. You get direct C-type and all that. See, this is the C-type. You can connect a C-type to it, which is latest and very fast. And then you have a normal USB fast, USB 3.0, all this kind of stuff. But chalo, no problem. Fast charging chalu hai now. Oh yes, you know, this is the problem when you ride bikes. You have to get your riding boots, my riding pant and riding jacket, protein powder, dude, and my most favorite chappal, hotel ka room chappal, most comfortable. By the way, just now Triumph India people called me. They said I can order my food from the room itself. But let's do some room service instead of going into the hot. Actually, it is hot, dude. Is this Dehradun or Hyderabad? It is actually hot. Oh, we have a sit out. Nice. Right now it is like really hot, but forecast shows that evening it's gonna be cool. Lowest I think it's around 14 or 15 degrees here, which is pretty amazing. And early mornings also it is nice. And tomorrow we're gonna ride and all that. So, and as you can see, Sriman Kotar is super excited when it comes to riding. That was street naked in the Ghats. Next level. 3 hours later. Had a good sleep, not for 3 hours. I slept for like 25-30 minutes. Uske pehle I started editing this vlog, but then I realized that internet is not that fast. But I think we can manage. Pura night I'll put it for upload. I think it should be done by tomorrow morning. Chalo, abhi we just got a call from Triumph. Luckily everything is within the hotel itself, and there's a small event that's gonna happen about the bike. Obviously they're gonna brief about tomorrow's ride, where are we going and all that. Oh yes, that's the message. We have to go now. Time is 6:30 right now. By the way, it's not just me who was invited. Obviously, there are a couple of other influencers as well. Yeah, let's go down and take a look. Today is the highest number of hours I put a mask on. Okay, so just now the briefing has been done. So it seems tomorrow we're gonna ride towards, I don't know all these places. This is the first time I'm doing a ride here. There are like literally 6 stops in it. Okay, it starts from Sai Temple, Sahastra Dhara Road, Maharana Pratap Sports College, Jauli Grant, Chamba, and this is one place I know, Chamba. Then we go to a place called Kanathal, and then back to this place. Today one group went for this ride and they told us that it's gonna be like super exciting. Thing is, they're like amazing twisties, it seems like mind-blowing twisties. I can see the map right now. Hopefully we'll have amazing fun tomorrow. For now we have someone interesting here. We never met in Hyderabad. We meet once in a while. All these launches.
Benelli story start
Long back. That's like almost 4 to 5 years back. We used to ride. We rode for one particular ride to Sri Salem on the Benelli 600i. I had the 600i. He was doing a media ride kind of a thing. After that, 1 or 2 launches we met. Now properly we met again. Look who's here. Mr. Dino, Dinesh Kumar, Dino's Vault. He's got a lot of names. Dino 777 bhi hai.
సో మొత్తానికి మనోడు సూపర్ స్టార్, రాకింగ్ స్టార్, రైజింగ్ స్టార్ అయిపోయాడు. ఏం పేరు పెట్టినా సరిపోతలేదు. నన్ను అసలు రోజు మెసేజెస్ లైక్ ది పీపుల్ ఆర్ మెసేజింగ్ మీ లెఫ్ట్, రైట్ అండ్ సెంటర్. వై ఆర్ యూ రైడింగ్ విత్ శ్రీమాన్ కొట్టారు? ఆల్ ది కిడ్స్ ఇన్ మై ఫ్యామిలీ. నేను చెప్తా ఉంటా, బ్లడీ గైజ్ యూ వాచ్ మై వీడియో అంటే, హూజ్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ బ్లాగర్ అంటే శ్రీమాన్ అంటారు. మరీ టూ మచ్ ఇది. ఐ పుట్ అ గన్ టు దేర్ హెడ్, టెల్ ఇట్ ఇస్ Dino's Vault, because they say the man, the way you edit and the way they can relate the content and the stylized way with which each vlog is taken or shot or the content is created, that keeps the audience connected. Potta batta raaledu.
వస్తుంది తప్పదు, ఎప్పటికైనా రావాల్సింది. It is all temporary. I try to keep it as raw as possible. See,
Exactly.
this is how we are outside. This is how I'm in front of the camera.
True,
No drama.
No drama.
Are you waiting for us? Oh. Okay, that's Firdaus there.
She's the star of the show. Jeppesi.
She's the kind of owner for now for Triumph India. She's leading the group.
మంచి ఇంప్రెషన్ తెచ్చుకుంటే కొంచెం బండి ఏమైనా వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటే
ఫ్రీగా రావు కానీ
డిస్కౌంట్ అన్న వస్తుంది.
డిస్కౌంట్. She's the head of your head of marketing, right? Can you show your face once? We've never seen, our audience never seen.
Social distancing.
Face
Hello.
reveal.
Hi.
That's Firdaus.
That's the face of Triumph.
Head of marketing Triumph. Currently she's the owner of Triumph India.
Yes.
Owner of Triumph India. Oh my God, no.
Because the main head is not here right now.
You call me the owner of the Triumph press fleet.
So, madam,
That
you're looking
yes.
No,
so
today you're the queen here.
Madam is looking so gorgeous. She is looking like Katrina Kaif.
Yeah,
She's
he's gonna
looking
say
like
that
Kareena
because-
I
Kapoor.
have something called as reality check
Okay.
in my life, okay?
So we
I'm
are
still
saying-
giving you the bike without
That's
a compliment.
the discount
So
code.
we wanted some discount. That is
That's what I mean. That's the discount code. You know, when I sat on it in the showroom for the first day and I lifted it onto the 2 wheels, I felt the bike is so nimble.
Yeah.
I understood this is a Guard King.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we'll see that.
Tomorrow we're going to
see
prove that.
I'm really confident about that.
Yeah.
Let's ride tomorrow.
Let's
Let's
rock
have
tomorrow.
some fun. Oh yes. Now we need to do some
chai
office
biscuit
work.
dinale.
He's doing his chai biscuit. Also some official work. So this one is my bike. That's Dino's bike.
Yes.
We've been allotted our bikes. Number 4 is ours. You moved it 2 inches. Legally tomorrow we have to move it.
Yeah. We're gonna move it.